Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join Spotify listening parties with your favorite artists. So joining Spotify listening parties with your favorite artists is a fun way to connect with them and other fans while enjoying the music together. And this is how you can join these sessions. So first, I'm going to tell you what are the Spotify listening parties. So it is a live or synchronized music streaming events where users on Spotify can listen to songs together in real time. And artists often host these parties to promote a new release or engage with fans. So if you want to find upcoming listening parties, you can follow the artist on Spotify. You can click on a search and go to the artist profile that you want. For example, in here, I'm going to find okay, this one. You can follow them. Click on follow, and now you can stay updated on their activities. So notification about listening parties may appear in your WhatsApp new feed or email. And you can also check on their social media because artists often announce listening parties on their social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. You can also look out for Spotify hosted events. It often advertised on the app's home screen or through the official Spotify social media. And if you want to join a listening party, the option one, you can find a Spotify blend or interactive playlist. Some artists host listening parties to the Spotify blend playlist. You can just click on a search and then just find blend. In here you can see Spotify blend. You can click on it, and then here you can just follow instruction to join the artist blend playlist and listen together as the playlist updates in real time. You can also use a group session. So if you are a Spotify premium user, you can participate in group session which may be used during listening parties. You can just open the Spotify application, navigate to the listening parties playlist or album, tap the connect icon, and then select start a group session, and you can just listen and chat with others in real time. And if you don't see the listening parties, you can check for premium requirements, such as group sessions require you to join the Spotify premium, and you need to ensure that you are using the latest Spotify application version on supported devices. And you can also confirm the event start time in your local time zones. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.